Welcome guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning Patrick. Good morning Steven. Good morning Fanos. Hello and welcome to another exciting day here at the live trading room of Trademy.com. Don't forget our website in case you wish to join our trading room. You need to contact our expert educational support team and request an access on our live trading room. Welcome to this week, guys. As you can see, we have placed some positions already, some orders. Since the positions are in a negative territory, it means that if you follow us now, you will get at a much better price of entry level of the trade. Currently, we have entered long positions on dollar CHF. We have also entered short positions on euro yen, and also we have entered short positions on pound dollar and short positions on euro dollar. Guys, let me you still have Aussie CHF short. Okay, how is it doing, Patrick? Okay guys, we just got an order triggered, and this is the buy order of dollar CAD. So let me write all the trades we currently have. We are long dollar CAD with a stop loss 130, 132.9 and a take profit of 132, 31.72.9. We are long dollar CHF, stop loss 100.1016 and take profit at 0.99942. We are short euro yen 131.57, and we have another trade triggered. A lot of action today in the forex pairs, a lot of volatility. Stop loss 131.638 and take profit at 131.238. We are short pound dollar 132.371, stop loss 132.52.1 and take profit at 132.121. We are also short Aussie dollar at 0.74280 with a stop loss at 0.74430 and take profit 0.74030. And we are also short euro dollar with a stop loss at 1.17040 and take profit 1.16640. And also we have a buy limit order, dollar yen at 112.415 with a stop loss 112.265 and a take profit at 112.665. Now let's go around and see how our trades are doing. We have entered a long position on dollar CAD. We are losing for the moment. Our long position on dollar CHF as well is not doing well. It seems that we don't have the best start this morning. Dollar yen not triggered yet. Our euro yen short position is where we have shorted it. Basically, not big difference there. Our short position on pound dollar, the price is slightly above our entry level, but is approaching our stop loss. Aussie dollar, we have entered short positions, is more or less where we have entered it, and our short position on euro dollar is still slightly above our entry level. So, as you can see, all the trades now except dollar CAD, which is the spread cost, and Aussie dollar are in the negative territory. If you wish, you can follow us. Guys, hello George and welcome to today's trading room. We have a lot of action today in the forex market. Already we have placed 6 trades and 1 pending order. Actually, we placed 4 trades and 3 pending orders, but our pending orders have been triggered. Guys, if you believe that you want to follow us in any of the trades, now is the right time to do it. Since we are in a negative territory, it means that you will get at a better price than what we did, with the exception of Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. All the others are in the negative territory, so if you want to follow us, you can do that. Guys, how was the football match? I'm a bit disappointed today. I'm sad as well, Mary. Croatia didn't manage to do it. I'm glad about it, Patrick. We had one auto goal from Mandzukic, and then a penalty that if I was a referee, I wouldn't give it, guys, honestly. Even though he has took him 5 minutes to decide if it is a penalty or not, you are not giving this type of penalties in the World Cup final. That's my personal opinion. I'm not biased from Croatia, but unfortunately they didn't make it. It was a very good match. All the congratulations to the France team. They well deserved this win, just to speak the truth. But there were some cases where Croatia played well and they could deserve more. Yes, I know 12 out of 17 players are immigrants or parents of immigrants. That's true, George, but as you can see, these people played with more passion than the original French players. So well done to all these French players. They honored their t-shirt very well. So the World Cup is finished. Congratulations to Africa for the World Cup. Yes, exactly, guys. So unfortunately now the World Cup is finished, guys, and I'm thinking of how to spend my time apart from forex trading, of course, which I enjoy it a lot. Any ideas, guys, especially the gentlemen? How are we going to spend our time? How are we going to justify now our absence from home, guys? That's a big problem for us. We will think something about it. Okay, so we have taken some position. Let's have also a look on the upcoming news for the day at 12:30 UTC time, guys. We have some important news about the US dollar. We have core retail sales for the United States dollar. They are expected worse than the previous month at 0.4. Previous month actual figure was 0.9, and also we have the retail sales of the United States 0.4 expectations versus actual previous month 0.8%. That's all we have for the moment. The important news for the day: a quiet day is expected, although volatility is present and we like it a lot. So has anyone followed our trades? Has anyone placed a trade with us or an order with us? Let's go around again and see how we are doing, guys. We have entered a long position on dollar CAD after this sharp decline. Dollar CAD now is accumulating below our entry level. Dollar CHF is our worst performer for the moment. We don't want the price to break below these lows, the lows of the day. We want the price to start going up. Euro yen is accumulating here at our entry level price, as you can see. Pound dollar is the same, more or less close to our entry level price. Aussie dollar, more or less close to our entry level price. So no big movements for the moment to the currency pairs. The same for euro dollar. And also we have the buy limit order, of course, for dollar yen. So 6 trades for the moment, guys. It's Monday, not the best day to trade Forex for me. Usually I have a very bad record on Mondays. However, this does not discourage us at all. You have seen it live. We have turned around the account a lot of times from negative territory to positive territory. It's very early in the morning and I believe we will have an exciting week ahead with lots of profits, guys. So Patrick is saying, you need a second job so I can pay for trading. I have a recommendation from you, Patrick. Why don't you quit your job and concentrate on trading so that you can make money and proceed with your education? That's the best solution, I believe, but you need to be concentrated on this job 100%. For me, Patrick, because I'm in the industry for more than 13 years now, I hear a lot of people saying to me, you know, I'm a part-time Forex trader. For me, there is not such a thing. If you want to be good at something, you need to do it full-time, guys. Spend hours, effort, and money, of course. There is no such a thing as part-time. Concentrate and dedicate your time on it. So I see that the Leaf has already placed a long position on Italy 40. Where is Allen to talk about Italy 40? Elif, I'm giving you the pass to upgrade us about the trades.
Yakos, good morning, everybody. Here we are on a Monday morning. I hope you had a great weekend and you enjoyed your weekend without us. So basically, guys, yeah. Hello, Patrick. Welcome. Hello, George. Hello, Stephen. Mary, welcome. Here we are. Jenna. Last week I haven't seen you, Jenna. Welcome to our trading room this morning. So, yes, I just put long position on Italy 40. I'm setting right now my target prices. Let me set them and then I will note it down. So we opened a long position on Italy 40. We entered at 22,012. Our stop loss is at 21,948, and our take profit is at 22,038. So the reason why I put here a long position on Italy 40 is basically we had a huge opening, a huge buy trend, long trend. You see over here a huge, great long trend, and then we had this pullback, and and I believe it will go up because this uptrend on Monday, I believe it will continue at 22,000. There is a quite strong resistant level, this psychological resistant level, and once it breaks through, I'm aiming the high of today or even a bit more. We will see how it will develop and react. Let's see. Also, DAX opened the same way. As you can see, we had a huge uptrend. And then it started to drop. And I'm thinking right now to enter also a DAX position. I see that it is in a oversold area, and I think it's a good time to enter a long position. Let's get a bit more down. Okay, you see the drop goes quite strongly down. I'm wondering if we can get a better price to enter. Let me see how it's going up here. I'm wondering, I think I will. Okay, I see. You know what, guys? I will short it right now and I will scalp. Yes, Jenna, correct. This is what I was just saying. I will short it now and I will scalp. I will close it very, very soon, this position. It doesn't look like it's a long trend, but we will short it now. We just shorted DAX at 12,563. And I'm aiming here, let me see, a profit of, okay, let's put our take profit at, there we go, at 12,560. That's 546, and our stop loss at 12,500. 92. No, I will, yes, okay. So I shorted DAX, I entered at 12,563, and my stop loss is at 12,592. And my take profit is at 12,546. There we go. We just shorted that. Let's see how it will develop, and I'm hoping it will be okay. Great, great, great. Yeah, we started already making a bit money on our DAX position. Italy 40 is not behaving well. Let's see. It's having the same move as DAX as well, but okay. On Italy 40, I see the uptrend very strongly. You see these candles going up, up, up. This is a short pullback and it will recover. While on DAX, we had the opening a bit earlier, so the movement were just on one candle very strongly. And anyway, we don't aim a very big profit on our short position here. In general, I'm expecting DAX today to go long in general. So guys, as you know, on Friday and on Thursday we traded quite a lot during the opening of the US market, and on Friday we had the earning releases of JP Morgan. Also today we will have some earning releases, but as you remember, I explained to you on Friday, there are some earning releases which are called AMC, which is AMC. AMC after market close, and BMO before market open. So JP Morgan was a BMO announcement, which means on the earning release day before the market opens, the release will be announced. Today we have the announcement of Bank of England and Blackstone, two very big shares, extremely big shares, and both of them, they are traded AMC, which means after the market close tonight, the announcement will be made. So tomorrow, when Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P 500 opened, they will have a react. Like tomorrow with the opening, the reaction will be shown and reflected. So for today, there is nothing that we can trade on the US shares regarding the earning releases, but tomorrow we will have some very important announcements. So this just like that. Let's have a look on the CAC, the French index. After winning the World Cup, let's see how they opened. So basically, this is the candle of today, guys. The entire movement of today. The French people, they are still sleeping and no reaction. On the indices, they sleep. They had their wines and their camembert, and they sleep. There is not much of reaction after the World Cup. Do we have any French people in our community? Somebody's from France? No, okay, I see, I see. Anyway, although I was supporting Croatia, like a lot of people of us here in our community. Still quite happy about the result. It was a nice game. Guys, our DAX position is very close to hit take profit. We are making right now $350. At 390, our take profit will be hit. Let's see, guys. As I said, from this trade, we don't expect a lot. It's just great, George. George is with me in this trade. In general, today I'm expecting an uptrend. Great, George. George just exited the trade with $300 profit. Great, George. Well done. As you know, in this take profit, no. Oh, my stop loss on Italy 40 just hit. Now I'm going to close also my DAX position. Come on. My DAX position, I'm waiting. It's quite volatile, but I got take profit, ching ching, $390 on our DAX position. Great, well done. Let's see how we will continue, if we will open another trade, yes or no. Yes or no. So if we will open another trade, let's see, because the market is quite interesting. It looks like that they will make a range, not as I initially estimated, that they will have a trend and is following. It looks like a ranging trend, which is also nice. Then we will aim fast movements and enter and exit the market quite fast. So let me see. DAX. After a short pullback, I will open again at short position, because there is still some air. Okay, if this limit is broken, I will aim the 12,500 as a target. Let me see. Yep, I will aim the 12,500 as a target. Still to go. Let's have a look at the US indices. As you know, during the opening, we will trade the US indices. Let's have a look how they look right now. If there is something we can do. If there is something we can do right now. Today the movement is very narrow. It's a very narrow range. As you see, it opened here, it dropped up to this level, and now it's again on the opening level. I don't see a nice possibility here to enter right now. USA 500, you see the same. In this level it opened, and it's almost in the same level as it opened, and the trading range is from here. It's a very narrow trading range. Let's see how much it is. Yeah, it's not even $4. It's narrow. Let's see, USA 300. What's going on here? The trading range. Let's see here the day's trading range. Okay, it's $30. $30. Not bad. Maybe we can do something here. Our silver looks interesting. Okay. Let's see if we still can do something with our Italy 40 or with DAX position. DAX still didn't cross the middle Bollinger Band. That's why I don't enter a second short position. If we see that it's crossing the middle Bollinger Band, I can go for the next level of the lower Bollinger Band. But since it's not crossing, I will not enter. I'm looking to Italy 40. If, guys, I'm going again long on Italy 40, but with a lower exposure. Buy, there we go. I just bought and I'm expecting Italy 40 to go above 22,000. So my Italy 40 is at 22,007 and my stop loss is at 21,882. I'm expecting the price to go up here. I'm expecting it. It's yeah. Let's see. Now I'm expecting that it will move up. So guys, in general, today it's an interesting day because, oh, there we go. We started to make a bit of money. After very long time, Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, was trying to meet up with Donald Trump, and they didn't manage it. And today they will meet up in Finland. Italy 40 is making $88, $140. Come on, baby. Okay, so they will meet up today in Finland, and they want to discuss about certain issues, ongoing issues regarding Syria, regarding fake news during the elections, regarding different regarding the position towards Iran. And it's very interesting how this kind of events or talks and the news which will come out of these talks and the tweets, let's say, will affect the markets. That's why we will observe today very closely the oil price, because I believe the oil price might be affected, gold and silver price might be affected, and we have to be today actively on forexlive.com, because on forexlive.com you get very fast news about the forex world and everything which is related to the forex world. If you open it right now, you will find some news about it, and also about about Trump's and Putin's meeting. And basically the meeting is put for 4 hours. They estimate 4 hours, and it will be totally alone between Trump and Putin and the closest people around them. So you can even see on this how secret this environment is. You know how much how high the security levels are. Apart from this meeting in Finland, let's have a look what's going on regarding the news, right, guys? So let me see, still okay. So today, there we go. We will have today new. Oh, okay. We have today core retail sales from the States. Yeah, basically we have retail sales numbers from the States. Apart from that, we don't have major announcements. Okay, the Italian trade balance was announced. Now in a half an hour, the European trade balance will be announced, which will affect the markets. The Italian trade balance, which was announced, let me see what time it was announced. It was announced half an hour ago. Ah, this caused the movement. And I was thinking, what caused the movement here? The trade balance caused this movement on Italy 40. Yeah, great. You see, nice. And in half an hour, we will have the European trade balance. So the trade balance of Italy was positive. It was higher than expected. It was higher than the previous month, so it was a good reading. And now the market started to move again in our favor, as you can see. And good. Let's see. It moved in our favor, and most probably we'll make some money over here, which is not bad. Let's put the let's play a bit with the take profit. Let's put it a bit higher. We put it a bit higher. And also the stop loss we will put a bit higher. Yep. I will put the stop loss higher. Okay, anyway, I will put the stop loss in a positive part. So whatever happens, we will make some money on this trade. A very small profit we will make in case it will hit a stop loss, but still we will make some money. And in 27 minutes we will have the trade balance, which I believe it will be interesting. Let's see how the DAX reacted. Guys, what do you think? I think on DAX it's the time to enter long. What do you think, guys? I think we should enter a long position on DAX. Anybody ideas? Any ideas? I think we go long on DAX. We went long on DAX. There we go. And our take profit is at 1,200. 12,583. There we go. And our stop loss will be at 12,517. Ching ching! Our Italy 40 just hit take profit. Nice, our Italy 40. We just hit another $400 on Italy 40. Nice. Nice, guys. I'm glad we hit another take profit from this nice movement. Let me see, maybe we can go a bit higher. We buy again on Italy 40. We buy more and we see how it will react. It is on the day's high. It will reach the day's high, and I'm sure it will exceed the day's high. Great, 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 great. Our DAX position started to make money. So we are aiming here a profit of $600. So we are long on DAX, long on Italy 40. Nice, guys. Nice. This is how we want it. This is how we want it. And in half an hour, we have the trade balance from Europe. It might make a bit of a movement in the markets, but I don't expect a huge movement. Let's see how. I believe that the results will be positive. That's why a buy position is good in any case, and we see how it will react. So, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes. So welcome back, guys. As you can see, actually all of our positions are in loss for the moment. Currently, we are down unrealized losses $1,300 more or less, and pound dollar has just hit our stop loss, guys, $450. So we just had our first losing trade for the day. Let's see how the other trades are doing. Dollar CAD didn't move a lot. Dollar CHF, it has moved below our entry level and very close to our stop loss. Euro yen is going, can you see my screen? Okay. Euro yen is going against our position for the moment, slightly against it. Same for Aussie dollar, same for Euro dollar. Not a nice start this morning. Pound dollar hit stop loss down for the day, $483 for the moment. But as you know, we are used to these things. We are used to turning around the things. So I repeat, all of our trades are losing for the moment, but we need to keep our discipline. We need to keep our patience and see how we will do throughout the day. We are not, we are used to this type of stuff. So it seems that all of our trades are going the wrong way. It seems that I'm on the wrong side of the market, let's say. Our dollar yen order was not triggered, although the bid price reached the level, but since we are buying, we are always buying on the ask prices, guys, not the bid price. So we are patiently waiting for that to be triggered as well. Pound dollar, we lost that trade. We will wait for the next signal, maybe in the afternoon. Dollar CAD is now recovering a bit. Dollar CHF is recovering a bit, but we definitely want much more recovery on dollar CHF, and the price to go above this entry level line here, so that we can recover our losses. Euro yen. You see all these, guys? I mean, for the past 2 hours, Euro yen hasn't moved. However, it's consolidating above the moving average, and this makes it highly unlikely for us to hit our take profit target. So that's a very risky trade. I believe we will hit stop loss. However, since I got the sell signal, I will kill it, guys. And my stop loss, I mean, it's just $350. I don't care if we hit stop loss because our risk reward ratio is great. So I would definitely want to see Euro Yen to break below this middle band in order to strengthen even more our possibilities of closing profitable trades. Aussie dollar has started now to react a bit. Generally, no big movements, very quiet Monday morning, no big volatility on the 15-minute charts of the currency pairs. You see, some of them are moving a little bit, others are very quiet. The only one who has made some move, let's say, is pound dollar, and we hit our first stop loss. Dollar CAD is now recovering a bit, approaching our entry level price. Dollar CHF has moved well below our entry level price. So we need to see definitely a strong recovery in order to revive our hopes of getting this trade into a profit. Euro Yen is stuck there, doesn't move. I definitely want to see the price to break below the middle band in order to have any chances of getting this position, guys. I don't like this consolidation above the middle band. This is more like an upside breakout coming, but since I got the signal, I repeat, I will keep it. Sell signals, short positions, and Aussie dollar again didn't move, guys. Euro dollar, you see only this candle and that's it. So we don't have material movements on Forex, a very quiet Monday morning, something that I personally don't like at all. I want to see volatility, I want to see take profits, I want to see action, I want to see stop losses. I want to turn around the account from negative to positive, but unfortunately, the market conditions are not allowing us this for the moment. Of course, this can change at any second, guys, of the day. So stay with us. We will stay with you the whole day. This is the morning session. And let me repeat what we have done so far. We have placed 6 trades. One of them hit our first stop loss, pound dollar. We are down for the day, $480. We have 5 more trades running and 1 pending order. Lots of action, but the price does not move, guys. We will check it and we will update you if we have any further positions or changing take profits or closure of trades with loss or profits. So, guys, do you have any question regarding any of the trades I have entered? Anything that you would like to ask us? I would like to remind you again that if you wish to have a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif, guys, in order to discuss about trading strategies, how to apply all the theoretical things you learn in our training packages, or if you want for us to assist you design your money management and risk management strategies, or even design a trading system strategy that you already have, improve it. All these can be arranged to a one-to-one session, so contact your account manager at Trademy.com and feel free to arrange a one-to-one session either with Elif or with myself in order to assist you implement theory into practice. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. There is no reason to trouble you with too much words. Actually, I'm not talking a lot as well. So we have placed 5 trades, 1 order, 1 trade hit stop loss, currently down $480. That's all from me. If I have any updates, I will let you know. Liv, you have an update or? Okay, I'm transferring you with Elif. Thank you.
Guys, I would like to stay here a bit more with you guys, looking at the trade balance, which will be released in approximately 15 minutes. So that's why we are still here. Our Italy 40 and DAX positions, they move quite okay. They slowed down a bit from their movement, but I believe it will get there quite soon. I'm quite positive about them. Apart from this, let's make a small roundup if we see any other possibility to enter the market. So France 40, We said after the game they are still a bit slowed down. Let me see on daily basis. On daily basis, they seem to have a downtrend. It seems that they show now slowly a movement, but it's in the middle area. We have to wait until we get the signal to enter here the market. UK 100, it's coming home. So it's a downtrend. On the daily picture, you see there is a small downtrend. Monday mornings are normally a very nice time to trade, especially when the market just opens. It's nice to trade because the movement is quite strong, and you see this also on our chart here. Let's go to the daily chart. You see it opens and then it goes straight away. Let's put it on the 1 hour chart. You see it opens and it goes up, and then you can just trade. And if you see this on the 15 minutes chart, you see how nice the movements are. Okay, then we have a drop down and we catch our uptrend. As you know, we got it, we closed it. We closed already today 3 trades on Italy 40. We made some money, but we closed also, we hit also 1 stop loss on a buy position, which we entered here, but our stop loss was here, so it was hidden over there. We lost around $1,000 and we made around $900 on the other trades. So we broke even with the DAX trade as well. So we broke even today. So not really. It's all the assets are waiting right now. All the traders somehow are waiting for the trade balance to come up. To be announced, so the market movement can be cleared out. The US indices, as I said, I will trade the US indices during the afternoon when the American retail sales numbers are announced, and also during the US opening. Although there are no big earning releases today before the market opens, but still it's a Monday morning. Trump and Putin are meeting today. We have sales data releases, so we will expect some movement. We will have some movement. That's why it's important for us to be on top of it and trade. Right, guys? I mean, remember, last Friday we made, last Thursday we made $3,000. Friday we made $2,500. So today, why not to make at least 2, right? It's possible. It's possible, guys. And Italy 40 was almost in profit. Yeah, we are getting there. Yes, we are getting there. Wonderful movement. And now we have another 10 minutes to go for the trade balance. So anybody of you guys know how the trade balance might affect our indices? Anybody knows? I explained you several times. For you guys who have been with me for a long time. Oh, George, it's time for our next one-to-one session, George. It's again. Well, it's a pleasure for me to explain you again what is the trade balance. Basically, the trade balance is imports minus exports. And according to macroeconomic theory, it's an international business theory. It's like if you export more than you import, your country is stronger and your economy is stronger. So if you have a positive trade balance, it's expected that the results are positive and that the indices will have a positive movement, because very simple, a lot of shares which are included and reflected and reflect the price of the indices are companies which are exporting. And when the exports are higher than the imports, it means that those countries, they have increased their sales. And when they increase their sales, the profits are higher. It's like one takes to the other, one takes to the other. So we expect that if the trade balance is good, the indices might rise, and also the currency of a country. This is the idea behind. And now we have the European Union trade balance. Let's see how the result will be, although I have a quite positive feeling when I see the numbers of Italy which came out, which is it's the third biggest economy in the European Union. And when I see the German numbers, they are quite good. So I'm expecting positive results on this page. So now in 10 minutes we will have the results. I see my DAX and Italy 40 position. They started to move a bit in our direction, as you can see. Let's put it here. You will see it. There we go. Not 5 minutes. Let's put it like that. And let's go on the double screen. And you see over here we had this huge movement. We had a drop down, and then we entered a long position. Although we could wait a bit more to get a better price, because we didn't get a clear signal from our stochastic oscillator. But however, we entered the market, and we will see. On Italy 40, the picture looks a bit different. Basically, we had since the opening a very clear uptrend, and then we had a short pullback, which we traded, and also the uptrend we traded. We closed our trade, and now it's still going upwards. Here, you will see our stochastic oscillator not sharply breaking and crossing, going down. It's crossing several times. It's a sign of an ongoing trend. So this is what we look at right currently, and let's see how the results will affect our indices. Our results will be announced in approximately less than 10 minutes. We will follow these results on forexlive.com and see how they react. So let me see here. Where is our forexlive.com page? On Forex Live, you can also follow the announcements of the summit of Trump and Putin. As I told you before, they are going to meet today, and they will discuss mainly about Syria and Iran, how the sanctions against also Crimea and Ukraine will be discussed, which is a very hot topic. And let's see to which conclusion this guys will come up, right? So let's see. Let's go on forexlife.com. What is going on? If we have any article about this meeting, and we have already any. There, Trump plans a one-to-one meeting with Trump. So we have Italy, May trade balance, okay. We traded this already. Swiss National Bank total sight depositors, okay, this was early in the morning. Okay, nothing yet about Trump and Putin, but nice articles right now which are ongoing, updated, guys, on forexlife.com. If you check, let's since this morning we had at 8 o'clock, 8:11 GMT, the last article, which was just half an hour ago, and then we have an article which was released at 8 o'clock 8. And then like every 8 minutes, every 20 minutes, there is a new article about the forex market and about the financial market, which we should definitely use this tool to trade. And be aware when we put some trades. So going back here, what's going on here with slow and strong spots, we make up, and we have another 5 minutes to go to the European opening. Hopefully during the opening we will, there we go, Italy 40 is already a bit in profit, but I will keep it. Let's have a look also on silver. Silver is also nice, but as I said, we don't get a clear signal yet on silver if we should enter it or not, because as you see here, it's totally in the middle. Yeah, nice. Oh, our Italy 40 is making right now $170, is a nice profit. Let's take it back to Italy 40, to DAX here, so we see also what is DAX. How is DAX going on? Nothing. Okay. Yeah, on silver we see here a movement up, but it's in the middle Bollinger Band, and for me it's not satisfying to make a decision to trade in one of the directions. Not yet, because I need a clear symbol on that to react and to trade. Oil, we said, we said on oil we will have a close look, because today I'm expecting also movement on oil, because Trump and Putin will discuss also about the natural sources of each country, and so it's definitely interesting as well over here. UK one, Brent oil. Brent oil has a nice movement. Brent oil has a nice movement. Guys, by the way, our Italy 40 position is making right now $294. Let's check also DAX. DAX is stacked on the same level. Italy 40 is making 529. 529. Let's go on a higher time frame to see if we have any exit level soon. 400, let's put our take profit. It just crossed the 22,000, 22,000. 99, 22,099 is my take profit. Let me see. And my stop loss, let me see it. It looks quite good. We are making right now $528 on Italy 40, and it's on the day's high above 22,000. It's right now traded 22,059. We have another 2 minutes to go for the earning releases. Not earning releases, trade balance. I'm now thinking if I should lock my profits of $529 and open a second trade when I'm in profit, or if no, I will let it run. We are making right now $645. $645 on Italy 40. Let's see also DAX, not to lose DAX out of our focus. We have another 10 seconds to go for the release. Let me open it on the economical calendar, what the release will be. So, not released yet. The European trade balance, DAX is also in profit. I think we got some results out. DAX is giving us right now $100. Italy 40 still at $528. But there is already tension on the markets. Let's watch at the reaction on the 1 minute chart. Very nice reaction on the 1 minute chart here as well. So the trade balance, there we go. The trade balance was negative, much less than our expectation. I will close my Italy 40 position and my DAX position as well. So I closed both positions. I made around $700 on both positions. And let me see, now that we know that the result is negative, if we can put any possibilities for new trades. Okay, as you can see, the markets, they don't move yet really. Basically, the trade balance of Europe was expected to be 20.9 billion, and it came out 16.5 billion. And there we go, DAX is dropping. DAX is dropping. DAX is currently dropping a bit, very less, not much yet. No, I don't see the point right now to trade on any of those assets. The reaction was very low as it's however, we traded quite frequently today on Italy 40. We entered and exit, entered and exit. As you see, we made today 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on Italy 40. We had one losing trade and we covered all our losses. As you can see, we traded very short term today on Italy 40. We had trades which we closed within 6 minutes and even less time, and made some money on it. So it's a quite good start in the morning and a Monday morning. Unfortunately, with this trade, our stop loss was hidden, although our direction was very clear and correct. However, we managed to make money on Italy 40 and DAX. Well done. I'm quite happy. What about you guys? I'm quite happy. So let me check with Kyriakos if he has any updates. If not, we will continue later on. We will follow now the markets and continue later on with our trades. Kyriakos, do you have any updates? Yes, Kyriakos has any updates. So talk to you later on, guys.
So thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. Guys, our trades are still developing. Some of them are close to hit stop loss. All of them, however, with the exception of dollar CAD, they are losing us some money. What is quite disappointing here is that they don't move at all, guys. I mean, these are not the movements I was expecting for Monday morning. Now, as you can see, 4 of our trades are close to our stop loss levels. They are not moving as we want them to move. See the size of the 15-minute candles, very low volatility. We will see what happens, guys. We are keeping our trades, of course. We are not closing anything. And of course, we will update you accordingly if we have any losses or any profits triggered. For the moment, we are down $480, one stop loss trade hit on pound dollar for the moment. And also we have one pending order. It's a buy limit order for dollar yen. It's very close to be triggered, but it has not yet been triggered. So guys, that's all we have for the moment. We will stay with you the whole day. If we have any updates, we will go live and inform you accordingly. From us for the moment, we will pause our things here and we will monitor the markets, and if we have any updates, I will let you know accordingly. Elif, you have any further updates for this session or not? Okay guys, we are looking forward to see you again at 1 o'clock p.m. UTC time. 1 o'clock p.m. UTC time, we will go live again. Of course, if in the meantime we have any attracting opportunities, we will go live and update you accordingly. Thank you very much for being with us. Keep staying with us, guys. Stay with us. We are not disconnected. We are always connected with you the whole time. For any urgent updates, we will update you accordingly. Thank you very much. Hello, Alan. Welcome everyone to today's afternoon session, guys. Can you all hear me and see me clearly? Very good. So how are you doing, guys? Are you okay? Alan, you haven't been here in the morning. Welcome. The sound is bad. Just a moment for me to check again. What about now? Can you hear me? Elif, can you hear me well? Can you hear me well? Test?
Yes.
Okay. It seems that you should have a problem with your headset, Alan, because the others are hearing me very well. Let me see, however. Can you hear me well now? Okay. Okay, guys, just a quick update what we have done so far. Monday is not the best day for me, as always.
Muted. Unmuted.
And currently we are down, guys, $2,100. However, we have placed new positions for this afternoon session, and as we have done on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, on Monday, today, I believe that I can turn the account positive again. It seems that the morning session for some reason is not good for me. However, it's too early to celebrate since we are just $800 plus and we have a lot to recover. However, I believe that we can do it. Right, Alan? We have done it a lot of times in the past. Why not do it then today? You have entered dollar yen long. Okay, guys, on dollar yen, we have 6 lots. 2 positions of 3 lots each. Okay, because I consider it better signal than any other pair. So any pairs that I'm entering 2 positions, I give them high probabilities to hit a profit than other pairs. So let's go around and see what are the positions that we currently have. We have entered long positions. Dollar CAD currently is a bit above our entry level price with a very tight stop loss, and we are targeting this level here. Why do you have different TP on which? Because the entry level on dollar yen differs. Alan, here I have entered my second position at 32. I'm going for 25 pips. And here I expect the same movement, but maybe sometimes this position closes with a profit and the price doesn't manage to reach the second target. So from the entry level, I always use more or less 25 pips take profit. But I'm expecting an upward movement, yes. Stop loss is always the same. The stop loss remains the same. If it breaks, for example, below that level, good night, it's going down. So for both positions, I use the same take profit, exactly, the same stop loss, but the take profit, because I had it at a lower price, differs. So this is the entry level of the second position, this is the take profit of the second position, this is the entry level of the first position, and this is the take profit of the first position. Stop loss is stable for both pairs. Now let's have a look on our second position, Aussie dollar. Our stop loss is defined at 74,466 and our take profit at 74,066. Guys, we are aiming is a bit late, yes. You will get it at a worse price than what we did. However, if you have a risk reward of 1 to 1, maybe you can try it. It's not a bad thing to try, but you need to have at least 1 to 1. Okay, so here we are aiming for $822. Dollar CHF now, very dangerous trade for me. Very dangerous trade. Hello, Patrick. Welcome to the afternoon session. I'm just explaining now the logic behind the trades I have placed. It has made a bottom here. It's a bottom base, but in order for me to feel much more comfortable on that, I definitely want to see a close above this top, guys. If we see a close, excellent, Patrick. Very good job. $2,500 shorting oil. Good job. So I would like to see basically on dollar CHF a close above this level to feel much more comfortable with that trade. Moving on to Euro Yen. Euro Yen is slowly, very slowly declining, guys. But if it holds below these dots, I expect the rate of fall to accelerate. Pound dollar, it has already, I believe, taken its path. It's now approaching our take profit level. You can join Euro Yen. Of course, you can join Euro Yen as you wish, Alan. Pound dollar has slowly approaching our take profit level. Euro dollar, same situation as pound dollar, but at the early stages of the development of the trade. And as I said, we have 6 lots on dollar yen. So that's all we have for the moment. We will monitor all the trades that we have placed. Our target, guys, is of course to recover the morning losses, $2,100. I believe that we can do it if the markets continue and behave like they are right now and they go up a bit further. I believe that we can recover the losses of the morning and even be in profit as we have done on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, guys. We will see. We will see. We believe on it and we will see. Euro yen looks like a strong support. Okay, support. Alan, at which price level you believe the support is? What do you mean 465? Alan, I don't understand what you're writing there. 465. Let me check that level. 465. It's a minor support, I would say. It's a very minor support. We will see, Alan. George, you just bought Euro yen. Okay, my friend. Actually, you have more chances than what we do. You bought Euro yen. You are going with the trend. Your trade has a logic, but as you can see, my trades are always based on trend reversals. But the probabilities are much greater for the trend to continue rather than to reverse. So, good call for a long position on Euro yen. However, if you see a close below this level here, if you see a close below 131.50, you need to reconsider your long position. 50 is the level, Allen, not 465, but it's close enough. It's very close enough. It's very close enough. I believe that it will break it and go down. Of course, only time will show if I'm right or wrong, guys. Okay, that's all I have for the moment. If I have any updates, guys, let me see one round more. So basically, I'm speculating on an intraday trend reversal, actually, on all my trades. The euro was going up, now I'm speculating to go down. Dollar yen is more or less within a range, now started to go up. Dollar CAD was going down, now I'm speculating to go up. Today I'm speculating against the intraday trend. I'm speculating for an intraday trend reversals. That's what I'm doing, guys. Any events? Well, we have the core retail sales of the United States, quite positive figures. Trump putting it, okay, they meet, they will sit, they will have their drinks. However, we are not relying on what Trump or Putin will drink or eat to trade, but it's definitely something that we are closely monitoring in case they come out with a surprise for the markets. So, regarding the news, we don't have any important upcoming news for the remaining of our trading session. And I will update you if I have any further positions or take profits or stop losses that are worth of mentioning them. Currently, we are up $1,400 from all our positions, but we want to recover the losses, guys, of 2,100. We will leave our positions run and we will make the sum up at the end. Okay, Alan, take profit all day. Good job, my friend. Very good job. It seems that our students eventually have managed to get in profits. Hello, Mary. Hello. What did you miss? You missed some nice trades on a Forex, which are currently developing very well. But don't worry, plenty of opportunities. Somebody is saying long euro yen. Okay, Alan, you're speculating against me. Okay, I wish you good luck, my friend. All right, if you insist long, be careful because if I see it close below 131.50, you're talking about the next days. Okay, guys, we are intraday traders here. I don't know how Euro Yen will develop the days. I'm just trading based on what I see now. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. I will transfer you now to Elite. We are approaching the US Open in a few minutes. So let us allow here to give us a quick update of how the markets are behaving with the Trump-Putin talk and how the pre-market opening conditions are on the indices, guys. So I'm transferring you now to Elif, and then you come back to me after the US session to see what we have done on the Forex pairs.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Hello, guys. Hello. Welcome to our nice afternoon session. In the morning, we had some. Hello, Ellen. Welcome to our afternoon session. And I hope you had a nice morning this morning. So, shortly, what we have been doing in the morning and what we expect today. So, in the morning, we entered and exit all the time Italy 40. We had a quite nice movement. We entered on a high and we hit also one stop loss, but then it went quite nice. So Ellen, you did. Hello Patrick. Hello Mary. So Ellen, you didn't have a nice morning. Oh, pity. Hello George. Welcome. Welcome. So yes, we have you said no Italy 40. No, we made some money on Italy 40 this morning. Okay, we hit also one stop loss, but the rest we closed in profit, which is quite nice. And we these are all trades from the morning trading session. Quite nice trades. Now we have still one position open from Friday on gold. Gold had a huge drop, and in the morning we had a quite big loss, and now the loss is reduced to $400. And let's see, I will close it very soon. Apart of, okay, I will close it very soon. So Brent oil had a quite interesting down movement today. As you can see, it had a quite interesting down movement, and I think it dropped 2%. Yes, this is approximately 2%. It was at $75. Or Brent. Just a minute. Yes, and now it dropped down to 73. We had a drop of more than 2% this morning on Brent oil. So let's see, guys, you are maybe short CAC. I'm shorting Nasdaq and oil. Patrick is shorting Nasdaq and oil. Basically, I want to short Nasdaq or go long after the opening. Right now, we have another 15 minutes to go for the opening, so I don't want to open now any trade on the US shares. I will wait until I see a movement, and then I will enter on the US indices. As you know, we had on Friday or on Thursday very successful trades during the US opening. We were scalping. We had some trades which we did 25 seconds. We made $380. And this is what we will do today as well. And as I said also earlier today, we don't have any earning releases now. After the market close, net Bank of America and BlackRock are going to announce their earning releases. So tomorrow we will see this reaction tomorrow with the opening. So DAX had a very nice up movement, but I couldn't. As you see, we are trying with our indicators to define the strength of a trend. Guys, okay, Kyriakos and me, we are trading for a very long time, more than 10 years each. Still, we have set strategies, we have set indicators, but still sometimes we need to define and refine our strategies, and it's always good to look a bit around what kind of indicators are still nice and interesting to use it during trading. And we are all the time a bit looking on another indicator, how we can implement this in our strategy. And this is what we do since last week, actively on some strategies which we build up. So I see George is long in Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Let's have a look. Definitely, it looks quite interesting. It looks like an uptrend. If the American opening wouldn't be so close, I would have gone also long on Dow Jones, but I want to wait the American opening and I want to trade during the American opening. But in the meantime, we don't want to lose opportunities, and I want to trade. I want to let me see. I want to set. I'm going to buy DAX. I just bought DAX, guys. I just bought DAX, and my take profit on DAX is at 12,575.50, and my stop loss is at, I will put it a bit lower, 12,521. And the reason why I put it a bit lower, it's depending on the American opening. It might move a bit down, but once the movement out of the American opening is done, if there will be, then I will adjust my stop loss. So 10 minutes to go. Let's see what is going on CAC. If we can find anything interesting on CAC. I see, guys, you are making money on the Forex pairs. Well done. So I'm checking if I can do anything on CAC. No. Okay, on UK 100, FTSE UK 100. Let me write down, now that I have time, I will write down about DAX. I totally forgot to mention it. DAX long, and we entered at 12,568.65, and our stop loss is at 12,521, and our take profit is at 12,575.50. So, guys, as I did for all of you who didn't follow me during Friday and Thursday trades, during the US opening, what I'm doing, I'm mainly scalping. I'm entering the market and exiting the market. Sometimes the movements are so fast and my trades are so fast, I don't find much time to write them on chat. So just be quite actively following my trades, what I'm doing and where I'm entering. Sorry for that I don't write it down. I will try, give my best to write it down, but sometimes I prefer to follow this very, very volatile time period and use this very volatile time period, then I'm just afraid that I will lose time and opportunities when I'm writing the data. So our DAX position started to make money, not much, but it's making money. Gold position is also giving some stable movement. I will exit. So let's prepare our charts nicely now. We will put USA 100. We will put USA 30. And we will put also USA 500. So where is our template? You see, we just open a clean new screen, and now I will put my template. Oh, let me see. There we go. Where is our template? My template is ELIF Special. This is how I call my template. And we go towards the end. So let's make it a bit bigger. Not that much. This is fine. And we are currently at the 1 hour chart. So let's go on a 15 minutes chart. Now we have three tabs. 3 instruments which we want to check. Our DAX position right now is making $128, and ching ching, our DAX position just closed with a profit of $160. Nice. We just aimed a very small profit just because of the volatility of the market, which will come up. I just wanted to get a profit out of this trade. Also, our gold position is making right now 540, 560. Very nice. 500. Let's see. Maybe we will close. There we go. Our take profit is very close to be hit. Go low. Let's go down a bit more down. It will hit our take profit, and we will have some money in there. Nice. If we hit here our take profit, it will be good. So we have USA 50. Let's leave the gold position to run and close with profit, hopefully soon. And so the American opening has another 5 minutes to go. So another 5 minutes to go. In the meantime, I want to check again DAX. Okay, our take profit hit. No entry level there. Italy also no. Okay, let's go back to our USA 500. I will put all my charts on 1 minute. This is my preparation for the US opening to see how it will react. Guys, during the opening for so Ellen is asking me, what about 4 or 5K profits in one trade, Elif? Definitely, we had also trades like that where we made 4 or 5Ks. this is possible. We can do that, but we have to take a certain risk, and we can do this when we have a direct, clear trend. And as you remember, we had a very nice Friday afternoon with a gold trade where we made on three trades on gold around 13K. It's not impossible, Ellen. Let me, right now the thing is, the markets are not that nice with these nice clear movements where we can make fast money, but we don't want to risk in general our exposure. What we want is a clear and straight strategy where we can make money. So Ellen is asking if he can pay us guys to manage your account. No, Ellen, we don't do this. We have here our live trading session where you can follow our trades, but you are your own master of your funded account. So if you need a bit more training and understanding why we trade and how we trade, we can always book one-to-one sessions so it's more clear for you to understand. Let me see, the market started to move a bit, but it's not yet there. Patrick is telling me, if making money from oil and Nasdaq only $1,500, I will cash out. Patrick, only $1,500 only? Are you joking? $1,500 are really good. Come on, imagine how long a normal employee needs to work to get $1,500. So let's stay realistic, guys. $1,500 during one trading day, it's really nice and a good job. Good job, Patrick. Don't get over. Let me see the mark. We have another 45 seconds to go. Let me see if I can see any other. So George is asking, I want the same if possible, and what about lower spreads? So George wants lower spreads. If you want lower spreads, we can't do anything for that. Please get in touch with your account manager, and we see Laura. Guys, it is Mary. I have problems with my account. Okay. Mary has problems with his entry, with her access to the live trading session. Just a minute, Mary. We have right now the opening, and we see. Let me see what we will do here. Okay. So I'm looking at Nasdaq. Very volatile, no clear signal yet. So, okay, I'm selling Nasdaq, I'm selling USA 500, S&P 500, I'm selling also Dow Jones. Where is my Dow Jones screen? Here's Dow Jones. Let me see, Dow Jones. On Dow Jones, now I'm selling, I'm not selling Dow Jones yet. Let me see, I'm waiting for Dow Jones. Okay, I'm buying Dow Jones. I just bought Dow Jones. Bless you, Kyriakos. So I see, I just sold Dow Jones. Okay, the others, they don't really move. Okay, I will close my USA 100 position. No, I will open another buy position on USA 100, guys. So USA 100, I opened another buy position. I'm short on it and I bought again. I'm now somehow hedged and I will check what the direction does and accordingly I will react. So the difference is not huge between my long and my buy position on USA 100. So guys, let's see. We have to be a bit patient until the market finds its direction. And we might enter again in Nasdaq and in Dow Jones. So in Nasdaq and Dow Jones, we might enter again because we entered quite high. So George made $300 with his Nasdaq trade. Great, 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 George. I'm glad. So Alan needs help with his CAC France 40 trade. Alan, give me what happened with France 40. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. Okay, you went short, Ellen, and now it's going up. You went long. Entry at 54.19. 54.19. Well, it's not a. I think it's okay. You will need a bit time to exit it. You will need a bit time to exit it. It's still quite low, but soon you can do so. No problem. Leave it run, but let me see with my trades here. My Dow Jones trade. Where is my Dow Jones trade? Here's my Dow Jones. I went long and it's dropping. Guys, I think I will close my Dow Jones trade, although I'm losing a bit. Today, somehow, the market was not much moving in our favor. So I see our gold trade is making right now $700. Let's give it a run. Okay, Dow Jones was not in our favor. Didn't move in our favor until now. We didn't close a position with profit. However, before before the high movement finish on the market, I will just sell Dow Jones to make some extra money on it. We open now, we are hedged on USA 100 and on Dow Jones. The USA 100 position is making money, my buy position is making money, my gold position is making money. But my it's not giving me the movements I want to see, guys. It's not giving me the movements I want to see. However, Dow Jones, at least we get some money in. USA 100, we are hedged. USA 500, we are short, and the market starts to move in our favor. Hopefully soon we will get some money on USA 500. Currently we are making money on USA 30, on gold, and on USA 500. So yeah, well guys, it's like not like Friday and Thursday while we could make a lot of money during the opening. Unfortunately, today the direction of the opening was not clear, it's still not clear. So Ellen, on CAC, I still believe long is a good decision. So you should go for long on CAC. Guys, what's going on now? The market started to move again upwards. USA 100 started to work upwards. This is good. On USA 100, we are short and long on the same time. So nice. So USA, we are short and long on USA 100. We are short and long on Dow Jones. We are short on USA 500. And we are short on gold. Gold is giving us some profits. We are ready. The market will slow down now, slowly. So it's time for us to close some trades. Let's see. USA 30 has in general George is asking if I can make money if I'm long and short with the same trade. Yes, this is possible. As you see now, Dow Jones is dropping. when I close this trade and it starts to rebound, I'm able to make some trades. So yes, you can't do it on the same time, Ellen. You will not make money on the same time, no. But let's say now I'm closing USA 30. USA 30, I'm closing it. Come on, come down a bit more. Come on, a bit more. I need a bit more. I want a bit more. Let's say I would close USA. I know that USA 30 will drop a bit more down. Once it drops down and then starts again to move in this area over here, I will profit from my sell position once I close here, and when it moves up here, I will profit from my buy position. So I profit on both of my positions. That's the idea behind. But you have to be very precise when you are planning to exit the market. Now I missed the exit of USA 30 while I was explaining you the possibility what to do. And on USA 100, let me show it here. Here my hedging gap is bigger. Here it's going to be a bit more difficult to make a profit. You see my hedging gap is from here to here. This is almost the trading range of the day. You can't see it very well. Let's go a bit near. No, you can't see it very well. It's the movement is quite big between my hedging gap is quite big. I have to close the position. Now we are going higher on USA 100. So once I start making money on the buy position, I will close it, and once it turns back, I will close the other one. But here I will take a bit, I need a bit more time because the gap is bigger than with USA 300. USA 30, what I'm talking. So as you see, I missed the exit point on USA 30 because I was a bit talking as always. I missed it, but now it's coming again in my favor. And I will close my sell position with a profit, a small profit, although I was quite positive about. Go down a bit more. I want a bit more. I want a bit more. I want around. No, the opening didn't go as I wished. Not like Friday, not like Thursday today, but it's still okay. We make some money. We made shortly before the opening money on our DAX position. Now our USA 30 position is making some money. We are making right now $270, $280, $300, $308, $28. I closed this position with $328 on my sell position, and once it turns up, and it will turn in the other direction, I will close also my buy position with a small profit. As you can see, I'm not aiming big profits. I'm aiming small profits, but it's good. So now let's go here on our UK, not on our UK, on our USA 100 position. Here we are making money currently also on our sell position. We have here also a buy position and a sell position. I'm closing here also. Yeah, I will close this position as well, so I get a small profit, not much, just a small one. So let's see on USA 500. We didn't make a big profit today. We didn't make big profits. USA 500. We are short on USA 500. Here it looks still like it will continue to go short. Now that the time passed and the volatility in the market got reduced, let's put also some target prices here. We are long on USA 100. USA 100, as you see our USA 100 position, we closed our sell position and our buy position started to move in our favor. It's not a great day, but it's also not a bad day. It's a medium day where you think like, okay, I could make a bit more, but okay. However, let's see also our DAX if we see anything. No, nothing on our DAX to see. What is this? This is USA 500. So 100 and Dow Jones. Do we have a Dow Jones chart? Here's our Dow Jones chart. Okay, guys. Okay, USA 100 is moving. Okay. So let's put our targets. Let's put our targets. For USA 500 S&P, I'm targeting, as I said, not big profits. I'm not expecting big profits. I'm expecting take profit of 2,797 and a stop loss. I will put my stop loss at 801. And why I put that? Because I believe that it will hit against the 800 and then return back down. So our take profit will be hidden very soon. Let's go to USA 30, our Dow Jones position. We are long here. We closed our short position and let's leave it to run a bit. The USA 300, USA 500. What's going on here? USA 100. What's going on here? Here we are still away from our take profit, but we put a stop loss of 7,367. Yes, this is my stop loss, and my take profit is, I'll put a very, very narrow take profit also here, nothing much, 7,389.30. Yes, George, this is today. You are totally right. What we are saying, George is saying, can't catch the right move today with Nasdaq. That's why I hedged as well at some point, because during the opening it was showing like it will go up and then it turned down, and it's kind of weird, but okay, we managed to get some money out. Hopefully we will close also soon our still pending trades, and it will be okay, hopefully. But like on Friday and on Thursday during the American opening, you could directly see the direction. You could see it, and you could see the small pullbacks, and then you could trade straight forward. Today it's a bit different. You don't see clear pullbacks and push and going. Today it's a bit weird, but it belongs to trading. That's why we like it. So, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes,
I think Kyriakos has an update. I will ask him and then I will see what's going on here.
Thank you very much, Liv. Okay, guys, let me show you on my screen as well. Okay, basically we have closed the dollar CAD position with a small loss of $185, raising our daily losses to minus $2,300 approximately. And we are left with these open positions. Let's go around and see how they are doing, guys. We are short Aussie dollar, slightly below our entry level. Nothing to worry about for the moment there. We are long dollar CHF. As I said, I want to see a close above this top to feel more confident about this trade. It is forming a nice bottoming base here, refusing to go down. A number of times this level was tested. If we have a break above this top, intraday top, I believe that it will be a very nice trade. Euro yen is accumulating below the moving average of the Bollinger Bands, and this gives me more strength that a falling knife formation is coming, guys. If we see a close below 131.50 on the 15-minute chart, this will strengthen our probabilities even more for a further drop on Euro yen. Pound dollar, no direction for the moment, slightly below our entry level price, very close to our take profit, but nothing. You have shorted dollar CAD. We have entered long and we hit stop loss. Patrick, good job for you, my friend. Well done. So the pound dollar it is slightly below our short entry level. They don't move. They don't move. You are talking about dollar CAD. If you are satisfied, take it, Patrick. If not, leave it. If you are satisfied with the profits, why not take them? Why not? It's still money, Patrick. So euro dollar, as you can see the movements, I mean, I'm trying today to get 25 pips, and euro dollar opened 116.80 to 117.20. I mean, 40 pips daily range. For those of you who understand what trading is all about, you understand that this 40 pips range for the day makes it very difficult for me to make my target, which is 25 pips per trade. Dollar yen, same story. I mean, dollar yen today opened here. I mean, 40 pips range. I mean, all the pairs are showing 40 pips range, guys. 40. We are trying to make 25 pips from each trade out of 40 pips daily range. It's not the most favorable conditions. So as I said, Patrick, it's up to you to decide if you will take it or not. If you're satisfied, my friend, with the profit you get, take it. As simple as that. So you will take it or not, Patrick? $400 profit, dollar cut. It's up to you. All right. Now, guys, the movement of the Forex pairs today is very narrow, very strange. So we will see what happens. For the moment, things are looking okay. Dollar yen is where we entered our second position. Dollar CAD, we hit stop loss. Euro dollar, is they don't move today. They don't move, and because they don't move, we are already losing $2,285. Because either you enter long or you enter short. If the market doesn't have a clear direction, this is not good for Forex traders. So, for the moment, that's all we have, guys. Let me remind you, and we are keeping these positions overnight. We are short Aussie dollar, slightly below our entry level. We are long dollar CHF. I want to see a break above this level in order for the probabilities to turn again towards our side. Euro yen is accumulating now below the moving average of the Bollinger Bands. We will see what will happen with that trade. Pound dollar is again accumulating below the middle band of the Bollinger Bands, slightly below our entry level price. Euro dollar now is going a bit up. That's not good for us. We don't want the euro dollar to go up. We want it to fall, but it's going the opposite direction. And our dollar yen is more or less where we have entered our second position. So we will see what happens, guys. As you can see, we are approaching stop losses on dollar yen, euro yen. It seems that, Patrick, you were right about euro yen. It has halted the 131.50 and is now moving up, my friend. So you are making money actually, and well done for this. I'm losing here. Monday, it seems that is not my day for the past 2 months now. We will check the trades, guys, and we will update you accordingly. So from me, it seems that is a losing day from me. It happens, guys. Most probably our losses reach $5,000. We will see. It's part of the game. However, you need to always be calm and do whatever you want to do and do it correctly. Don't lose your patience. So, I will keep these positions open. I will not close them. And tomorrow when we come back, we will see how many of them closed, how many of them are still active, and we will sum up the P&L account of today tomorrow, guys. So basically that's all I wanted to say for today. Don't forget that in case you wish to arrange a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif in order to design your trading strategy, ask questions about theoretical aspects you have learned in your training packages and see them how they apply on live market conditions, you can arrange a one-to-one session with us, guys. And in order to do that, you need to speak with your account manager at Trademy.com. Also, don't forget your funded accounts. Those of you who have already been enrolled in training programs, you receive a deposit funded account, live accounts. You need to start taking advantage of this money, guys. This funded account are trusted to you because with our help as a society and the educational support team, our target is to grow this account and all of us make money as a family altogether. So guys, all of the trades are ready to hit stop loss for a second time today. We had the same picture in the morning, all of the trades hitting stop loss, and it seems that this picture will be revised in the afternoon as well. Look at that. All right, not a good day for me today, guys. We will see tomorrow what will happen. Thank you very much from me. Elif, you have an update? Okay, I'm transferring you to the Elif and I will update you of what happens with our trades.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you. And let's see from the nice indice trading what's going on. Guys, you were asking me beforehand about my hedged position on USA 30. You know, I had a sell position and a buy position. I closed my sell position with a profit of $308. And right now, our Dow Jones buy position is moving. You see, guys, it dropped so strongly. We closed our sell position. Now it recovers, and I put my take profit. And if my take profit hits, I'm aiming a profit of around $200. So in total, I will make on these two positions today $500. Furthermore, the US 100 position, the same picture. I was short and long. I closed my short position with a profit, and now my long position is coming close to a profit as well, and to hit my take profit, and also here to make some small money. Guys, this is the nature of trading, you know, and this is how you can hedge. To be able to hedge, you have to be a bit cold-blooded. I've been telling you this several times. You have to be a bit cold-blooded and well calculated. It's not something which you can do just out of, you know, how can I say it? Okay, now I will hedge a bit. No, you have to see the gap, if it's realistic that the gap will close, yes or no. And if you think that it's realistic that the hedging gap will close fast and soon, you can hedge. If you are not, don't hedge. Don't burn your fingers. As you can see with us, it works quite good, and I'm happy about it. Nice, nice, nice. I closed also my gold position, guys, with a profit of $460. I'm very happy about this trade because it was making me some stomach problems. It's we had a nice drop today in the afternoon, and I could cover my losses because I had a loss of around $4,000, sometimes a bit more, and I could manage to close this position with a profit of $460. I'm very happy about that this is done, and I was not even checking if I should keep it open or if I should increase my exposure or whatever it was. I'm just happy that it's over with that trade. And gold, I will not trade today anymore. I will trade tomorrow again gold. So I put also on my trade, as you know, we never leave a position naked. I put also stop loss and take profit limits here to close my position accordingly throughout the day. I see the market will move in my favor on Dow Jones, and I'm even thinking about to open another trade. Let me see. It's like, it's currently, I opened at 46, currently it's 34. Guys, what do you think? Shall we open? Yes, guys, I will open another trade on USA 30. Let me see here. Yes, I will go long again on USA 30. There we go. USA 30 buy, and we made also profit, hopefully on this when it moves up, because I'm expecting the market to move up and to give me some profits on. So my take profit will be same as the previous one. So we will increase a bit our profit here, and this was the bad eye. I talked so much about Dow Jones. Now it started to drop, guys. This is the bad eye of mine. But okay, it's I'm quite positive about it. It's Monday. The market, the week just started. The market, the only way in which it can go, it's just up. So I'm not worried. I go long, long, long. So yes, I go long. So, and my take profit and my stop loss are on the same level as the other trade, and it will be okay. So I see that Kyriakos and Patrick made some money. Good job, Patrick. He made $1,000 from USD cut position. Good job, guys. So before I started trading on the US opening, we had some questions. I'm not sure if they are pending. Let me see. These we answered. These we answered. Yeah, it was the question of Mary, but I said she has problems to enter her live trading room. But Kyriakos answered her, yes, you have to contact your account manager, Mary, and she will or he will sort it out for you to check your logins, and it will be okay. If I left any questions behind, please let me know. I don't see any pending questions, but if I'm not if I missed any of your questions, please let me know and we will answer it immediately. Oh, gold is also oil is also nice, guys. Ellen, how it's going, your oil position? Oh, take profit. We hit also take profit on our USA 500 position. Took us some time, but we made some money. Overall, today we are $1,026 on profit. We had a loss today of $1,500, and we managed to turn and make even a profit of $1,000, guys, until now. Not bad, not bad for one trading day. So not bad. Oil. Okay, guys, from my side, I'm done for today. I'm leaving my positions now to run. They are not much. There is not much to. It will not take very long until tonight. I think our take profit will be hit, and we will close both of our positions with a profit, because we see it's going a bit up and down, and our trading range is narrow, and I believe it will reach very soon this level. So overall, we closed the day with $1,000 profit, which is good. If you guys have any questions, just do not hesitate to contact us. We will be here latest by tomorrow, 8 o'clock UTC time. If you like to get in touch with us earlier, just Twitter us. You can write us on Facebook or on Twitter, Trademy A, or you just tell to your account manager at trademy.com that you would like to talk to me or to Kyriakos, and then we can arrange a meeting. I will update you about my trades on Twitter, so don't forget to follow us. Now, I wish you a nice afternoon. My trades are developing quite nicely. Hope to see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock if Kyriakos doesn't have. No, okay. So hope to see you tomorrow 8 o'clock UTC time, and until then I wish you a nice afternoon. Bye bye guys.